We're going to discuss Meeting Bloom's personal itinerary builder. So if you go to the program agenda that you created through Meeting Bloom, and you can see your agenda items that you create and the time slots and the dates and add to itinerary. So any item that your attendee can come here and click add to itinerary. And let's say they want to go to the conference registration. They want to skip the welcome reception. They want to go to the dinner. They want to make breakfast. They want to see this one, not that one. And they want to see this one. And they're going to skip the lunch with everybody. And they want to see these ones right here. So when they click those, automatically it will add to their personal itinerary. That way they can come in here and see what their agenda is for that day, and even click on the abstracts to be able to see the abstracts for that item they're looking at. So this is just a really easy way for your attendees to create their personal itinerary, see what they're going to be doing for that day, and be able to print it too. So they can click print and print it out for a physical copy at the conference. And this is also mobile responsive, so it can go on their tablets, it can go on their phone. So many options for your attendees to see this information. Now, we're going to do a stage 2 of this where we're going to have, and we're working on it right now, it will be released probably December of 2024. And that is a personal itinerary builder for your poster list. So you can have all your abstracts listed for poster numbering on here, and then your attendees can say, I want to see this one, this one, this one, this one, and it will be able to build out a poster list itinerary for them also. That way your attendees can see the main program that they built out for themselves, and they can see a poster list. That is the second stage of this, and it's going to be coming out in December of 2024.